get tased, y'all step out of the vehicle now. Yes, sir.
In Flagler County, Florida, deputies pull over a vehicle for a routine traffic stop. But what begins as a simple encounter quickly turns into something far more complicated. The two occupants refuse repeated commands to exit the vehicle, and the situation stalls. With the standoff continuing and compliance nowhere in sight, multiple units are called in to help resolve the incident safely. This is the body camera footage from that encounter.
Huh? Your window work? Huh? Why not? Go to. Huh? I can't hear you. Roll your window down. Can you step out of the vehicle? Can you crack your window? I can't hear you. Can you crack your window? I can't hear you. Can you crack your window? Huh? Okay, so the reason I stopped you is your tag light's out. Okay? Literally, I want you to know that if you opened your window when I walked up, I would have told your tag light's out and then would have left. Okay? Can I get your license, your registration, your insurance? And your registration and your insurance for the vehicle. You're supposed to. I can't reach that. Huh? I have health issues, so all this reaching, you walk over here. No. Okay. You can roll down your passenger side window, and you can give it to your passenger, and he can give it to me. No, I'm not doing it. Why not? Because I'm not. Huh? No, you can roll down your passenger side window and give it to me. Yeah, you are. Thank you. And you say you don't have the registration or the insurance of the vehicle? I got my insurance, but I ain't got no registration. I don't care my registration in the car. Huh? I don't care my registration in the car. Why not? Because I don't. Okay. If you get stolen. Can you pull up the insurance for me? Absolutely. It's on your phone, right? Yep. All right. You stand by the passenger side. Let me talk to you real quick. Pulled up. She wanted her down the windows. Took her a minute to roll in the passenger. She wouldn't down any of her windows. Took her a minute until I told you to step it up or to crack her back one. She gave me this through the little crack in the back, and then she comes to the back seat to give it to me because she won't roll down her passenger window. So something's up with the passenger, and I'm gonna pull her out. He probably won't get out, so it's gonna be resisting. Yeah. What's up, passenger? She was the driver pulled out here? Huh? She was the driver in the back seat? This is the driver back seat. Can you do me a favor, step out of the car for me? No, I'm not getting out of my car. Yes, per Florida State statute, when you stop in a traffic stop, I can ask you to step out of the vehicle, okay? If you do not step out of the vehicle, you will be charged with resisting. If you make me take you out of this car, I'll put you in handcuffs, take you to jail. I'm not getting out, sir. What, you gonna bust my window? Hey, ma'am. I'm not getting out of my car. Let me have a conversation with you. If you don't stop out of the vehicle right now, we're gonna bust your window and take you out and arrest you, okay? No, I'm not. This is case law, Pennsylvania v. Mimms. That's what's. Let me record this because I don't have to get out my car. I've already been through this. So y'all can have to do what you got to do, and I'm gonna have to record it. You bust my window. Hold on, let me record it. Y'all finna bust my window. Go ahead and search 210, please. Go through. They said they're gonna bust my window because I don't want to get out the car. I don't know what they want me to get out the car for. He stopped a traffic stop for a traffic light. I gave him my insurance. I gave him my license. Now
telling me I need to get out the car. They have me surrounded. And they're going to bust my window if I don't get out the car. That's what he just said. And I'm not getting out the car, so I'm just going to record him bursting my window. Because I'm not getting out.
Where was 210 at? Any idea? How long?
Would you mind just checking to see where 210 is?
Got my license.
That is not like Alright, is your car unlocked?
Should be. You know, if you get out of this car, I'm just going to talk to you. You're not going to jail.
No, I'm not. I do not trust you guys. I've been abused by a police
Trust?
officer. I had a
Have you ever met me before? Have you ever met me before? So how are you going to judge me based on somebody else? All of y'all are the same to me? That's a funny phrase, huh?
Y'all do this every time. Man, just say you go bust my window. Are you serious?
Back there.
I'm going to explain this to you again
Get an
so
ID.
it's clear. Case law dictates. If we ask you to step out of the vehicle and get a lawful order, you have to
honestly
comply
can't
with
hear you.
us.
When I told you guys can't hear through the window, I'm being so serious. Can you crack this or no? Like even this much?
So, if you
I
want
just wanna
to look
talk
up
to
on
you.
your phone really quickly, Pennsylvania v. Mimms to support its Supreme Court case law, then you're going to go to jail.
I don't have to go to jail. All he's doing is putting me for a traffic stop. I don't have
So,
to
since you're on your phone, look up Pennsylvania v. Mimms for me.
Huh? She wouldn't open the passenger side for me, so she climbed the back seat to get me the back. Her ID.
Because we have.
You can relax.
Bust the window.
You're okay.
Out the car.
You can relax. You're okay.
Because you're refusing to comply.
Can you hear me?
I'm not getting out.
No.
I'm not getting out. No reason. You say you pulled me over a tag light.
He has a lawful reason to pull you over.
Okay, yo, he pulled me over. I gave him my license. I gave him my ID card.
That's not how it works.
Yes, that does.
No, it's not. Case law dictates for our safety, we can have you get out of the vehicle. You went from the driver's seat and jumped into the back of the seat in the car, and then you would not roll down your window.
Can you step out of the car? If you step out of the car, you're not getting arrested. Like, it's literally just comply and you're fine. But right now, I can't go back to my car and do my traffic stop because you're climbing around the vehicle. You roll down the passenger window, you climb to the back.
You got my license. You can perform your traffic stop.
Get the key fob with you. I'm going to grab some gloves. I'm just going to go.
He's performing his traffic stop. Why my license? They're valid. I gave my ID card. What else do you want? What else do you want, sir? Could you please tell your friend to stop shining that light in my face? I have nerve debt. And I have real
Nerve debt?
I have real spasms, sir. Could you please stop
What is
shining
that?
light in my face? It's a medical condition. Look it up.
Well, you told me you have a medical condition, you can't give me license
Sir,
in the back seat, and then you climb over the back seat to give it to me.
To give it to you so I can go.
Huh?
Sir, could you please tell your friend to stop shining
I want you to tell me why you couldn't roll down your passenger side window and give it to me.
I told you, I've been abused by an officer of the law. I do not trust you guys.
I am not him.
You guys.
You can't judge me because of somebody else. How does it work that way?
Right now.
Hey, man, can you step out?
No.
Give him an order to step out.
Hey,
No.
can you hear me?
Of course he can. He's not getting out the car. I'm just
All right.
He's not getting out
This
the
is
car.
a traffic stop. This is a lawful detainment. I stopped you for your tag light. If you do not step out of the vehicle when given a lawful order, that is called resisting. We will remove you from the vehicle and you'll be subject to arrest.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are. Right now, a traffic stop is detainment.
What? No, it's not.
Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not.
You have your phone in your hand. Google it.
Sir, I'm not Googling anything.
You have your phone in your hand.
I'm not Googling
Google it.
anything. I'm not. You're
How-
performing a traffic stop.
How old's your son?
All around the traffic
How
stop.
old's your son?
That's not my son. That's my nephew.
How old's your nephew? He's a minor? So why are you acting in front of your nephew? You think this is smart?
I don't care what you're talking about. Could you please finish your traffic stop so I can go?
I can't because you're in the back seat of your car. I need you to step out of the car.
No. What? Why do you need me to step out of the car?
For my safety.
You stay with me in the car.
Huh? I don't have one with me.
How is for your safety?
Scatterballs?
Grab yours. Don't have them.
You have a license? Your nephew got a license? Can he drive?
Really?
Yes,
He's
really.
a minor. How can he drive?
Okay. Where you get? Huh?
Can I turn off without getting shot?
Yeah?
I just asked to stop shining this light in my face. Like, I just told y'all I have a medical condition, documented. And y'all still just like...
I asked you to step out of the vehicle, and you said no.
I'm not. And I told you why.
Why not?
Sir, do I have to repeat myself?
Yes.
Sir, I've been abused by law enforcement. Excessive
Who?
force. Excessive force. It does not matter. Law
Where?
enforcement. It doesn't matter.
Where?
Why does it matter?
Because I'm asking you where. You said it happened. I want to know where.
Ask me why I don't want to get out the car, and I just told you why. I don't have to go into detail.
Okay.
I don't have to go into detail. I'm just letting you know.
Can you have your nephew step out of the car?
No.
I don't want to take you to jail also.
Ain't nothing in my car. No drugs, none of that. Nothing in my car. Nothing. I gotta go to work. Could you please get in my life before I go?
What do you do for work?
I work in an auction.
You work at an auction? Where? Huh?
A car auction.
Gold out. Chill.
Y'all make me miss work because y'all want to be sarcastic.
Huh?
Y'all want to be nasty. So y'all go stand here.
What do you mean be sarcastic and nasty? What are you talking about?
Because I don't want to get out my car. Y'all just go stand
Yes.
here. Y'all go stand here because I'm...
We're waiting for our supervisor so he can try to talk to you. If you don't listen to him, then I'll remove from the car and arrest you.
Well, I don't care. Y'all gonna have to do what y'all gonna have to do. Because I'm not getting out the car. Y'all can't make me get out the car.
Okay.
I gave you my license and I gave you my insurance. And ma'am, could you please stop shining this light directly in my face?
I'm going to go let him know.
Can you please stop shining directly in my eyes? I just told this lady I have wheels without. And she's totally ignoring it. I told him I have wheels without. He's totally ignoring it. Y'all see this, right? See how they act?
You want to leave the car for your safety.
Where's your nephew's mother?
I'm staying in the car for my safety.
What do you think we're doing with a flashlight?
Where's your nephew's mother?
She don't have to shine to my face though.
Ma'am, to solve your issue with the light being in your face, just don't look at it, okay? I'm pointing mine at the ground so it's not in your face.
Y'all got me surrounded with lights. If I have nerve damage,
I'm telling you. Over here, they're not in your face. Just look over here. Okay?
Okay, what else? Why does it matter what it's on? Why does it matter what it's on?
No?
Now,
Where does that come from? About his mom in a traffic stop before that.
Because she won't roll down her passenger side window and she wanted to give me her license to this little
Then
crack.
why are you in the back seat?
I can.
Okay, he's requesting you were in the driver's seat, and now you've jumped in the back seat to becoming an officer safety issue.
He didn't want to get my license.
Okay.
So I had to get back and give it to him.
I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle now.
Sir, no, I'm not
Okay,
stepping out.
if you don't step out of the vehicle, we're going to break this window.
Okay, well, sir, you're going to break it on camera.
Okay, that's fine. You're on camera, too. I'm giving you one more opportunity to roll the window down and step out of the vehicle, okay?
Yeah, watch his hands.
Ma'am, do you want to step out of this vehicle?
No.
Maybe have a window punch?
No. Your shadow balls or not?
You have shadow balls for you? You have shadow balls? Shadow ball up. This side. Once he breaks it, if we can open it and then drag around. How old is? Keep your eye on the driver.
Give us the channel, please.
Ready? Go ahead. You ready?
On you.
Ready? Go. Watch out. Don't move. Keep your hands up where we can see him and don't move. Step out of the vehicle.
Do not. Please do not.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Do not touch me.
Step out of the vehicle now. I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle now.
I'm going to step out of the vehicle.
You're going to get tased if you don't step out of the vehicle now.
Sir, I'm going
Step out of the vehicle now. Keep your hands up where I can see them.
Yeah, I
Now.
can
Now.
Sir,
You were given the opportunity.
Flip this. Please don't do that.
Watch your face. Watch the driver. Watch the driver. Face now.
You didn't have to go on the ground if you listen. Okay. Hands
Whatever. It's fine.
All you gotta do is step out of the vehicle.
Man, whatever.
Watch your phone. I don't know where it went.
I don't have to watch. I don't have to. Please don't break my phone.
I'm not breaking your phone. That's why I said watch
Sure,
your
I
phone.
have that recording. Because I'm telling, please get off me. I got slip disc in my bag.
Listen.
Like serious, why you got that knee in my bag?
Listen,
I got ruptured disc in my fucking back of my neck.
I'm trying to help.
And I told y'all that. You're not.
Putting your phone in the back
Bring
seat.
your feet this way.
Sir,
Bring your feet towards your chest.
Don't forget her back.
I have to walk on my back.
You have to roll on your back.
Yes.
Okay, roll over to your back.
Put your feet up.
Now you have to lift me up. I can't.
Bring your knees in a little bit.
I have a torn ACL as well.
If you
So
push
could you
up,
please just lift me up,
Then how'd you
please?
jump over your seat with a torn ACL?
if you push up.
I'm going to show you proof that I have a torn ACL.
1, 2, 3, go. Go into your car, Dorothy.
Yes.
You're gonna do your personal law. I'm gonna
No,
switch
I
with
don't
Hoya.
have nothing.
And let Hoya pat her down. Hoya, can you search her? I'll switch with you.
She was charged with resisting an officer without violence, and on December 7th, 2023, she was found guilty of that charge. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more police body camera footage.